It's amazing. I mean, you can actually see the beam, the particle beam. I mean, it's just almost like a wow. It's a light, that's for sure. But you can see it, and I liked it. I like the idea of all this because I looked it up. And, well, for what I paid for it, it's a damn good buy. I got a deal on this one. And yeah, and that sucker is accurate. Oh man, it is staying right on top of everything. It's mesmerizing. Let's see my next. Yeah, I'll pull it out in a minute. I tested it. I had something on there that I want to show someone else, and I'm gonna retest it and then move it around and do some other stuff. But this is the ticket, and I am now at 116, so that's 13. That's 3 minutes. Where we're at. I can smell it. My little particle beam. Beam me up, Scotty. Look. Yeah, I won't get the air assist, and I won't get the 10 watt. This puts out 5.5, but they have one that's a 10, and man, that 10 is something else. You can really cut something with it and do some stuff with it. A very, 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 very long time ago, like when I was married in a previous life, I dreamed of this, every bit of this, and I tried like it was called, I wanted to be the toy man. I wanted to make toys, and here we go. By God, I ain't give up on it. I don't guess I had a whole hell of a lot of airplanes and airplane parts and stuff for radio control. And someone else made it, and that was they were kits that were laser cut. They were. They just cut through balsa, and I want to hold some balsa and some cedar. I do. You can see next now. The light's down there. I don't think it'll jump back down there and do anything to it, but I haven't moved it. But that's what's really cool about this. You know, it's the possibility if I take this out to a flea market or something like that, and I can just set it up and just play with it while I'm there and sell. There, we're done. Yay. 118. So that was 5 minutes to run back all over every bit of that up there. And no, it didn't cut through. But that is awesome. I'm well on my way. I am. Cool down, baby. Cool down. Testing. Testing. Beam me up, Scotty. I do. I need to go in here and tighten every little bolt and everything down because it's been through two hands. The first hand just put the frame and everything together and they said fuck it. The second hand, it was a gift to them. I didn't mind paying them because hell, that's worth what they want. It is. You know, I ain't stupid. Shit. No, and I want the rotary axis neck, and they're cheap for this one right here. It's like $70. God, I got a long ways to go, but now I can be creative. I can go in my little office and I can sit down and I can draw, do all kind of cool stuff. Dun 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 dun. It's called signage. CNC. Peace.